In today's video, I'll be reviewing Vision6, an email marketing SaaS platform that's been gaining attention for its powerful features and user-friendly interface. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to handle email campaigns, automation, and analytics, Vision6 might be the tool for you. I'll take you through the core features that make it stand out from the competition. From designing emails to tracking campaign performance, Vision6 offers a range of features that cater to businesses of all sizes. The platform includes a drag-and-drop email builder that's incredibly easy to use, so even beginners can create professional emails without any technical expertise. The email design options are diverse, and you have the flexibility to fully customize templates to suit your brand. Another standout feature is Vision6's robust email automation system. With this, you can set up automated workflows, segment your email lists, and ensure your messages are set at the optimal time for each customer. Analytics is another key area where Vision6 shines. It offers in-depth insights into campaign performance, helping you track open rates, click-through rates, and much more. The reports are easy to read and can help you optimize your future campaigns. One of the things I love about Vision6 is the excellent customer support. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, their support team is always ready to assist with any questions or issues. Many useful links can be found in the description, so be sure to check that out after watching the video. All in all, Vision6 offers a powerful suite of tools that can help businesses streamline their email marketing efforts and achieve impressive results. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use platform with robust features, Vision6 is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tutorials.